Orchid Garden USA here. I'm showing you my Phalaenopsis orchids that are blooming and also with buds. My orchids in sphagnum moss, most of them. And this one right here is really pretty and looks healthy, but this part got burnt from the sun because I keep all of them outside in summer and in the shaded area, and this one put out blooms. They're so cute. I mean, so pretty. Look at that. When I water my garden, I also water all of them at the same time, which is I just aim the hose towards the dirt and all the whole plants. I don't have to worry about getting watered in the middle right here because it dries out in the afternoon, and that's how I water outside. And when it's blooming like this, I don't fertilize them. So far I haven't fertilized my orchids ever since spring. Video is about how I grow my orchids in summer and how I much water, how I water them, and how much fertilizer or no fertilizer at all. But anyway, this is the second orchid growing in a sphagnum moss. As you can see, it's healthy. For some reason, there's insects or bugs that got a hold of it right there and they started chewing it, but that's okay. It's gonna survive. And also there's a sunburn right here and right down here, but that's okay because that's not gonna bother the orchids unless it's showing some kind of infection, and I will cut it off and put cinnamon in there on the wound. So this one have lots of buds. See right here, this one is gonna grow buds right here, see? And here's another one. There's two of them right here. Now if I keep it inside, this will not grow, but because it's outside, the orchids feel the natural habitat, so that's why I keep them outside. And I don't know what color it's gonna be, and it's really gorgeous, and there's lots of buds. See right there, lots of buds. So this will bloom for a long time. So that's my second orchid. And here's the third one. This one is really nice. It's got lots of air roots right there, and sphagnum moss. I just watered them yesterday, that's why they're moist. And these have a really nice leaf. Luckily it didn't burn from the sun, so it's a good thing. And the best part about it is I'm gonna show you. So the best part about this plant is other than having a really good healthy roots, spike right there. That one is not gonna be root, it's gonna be a spike. So I don't know how much flower this plant is gonna put out. So I'm really excited about this plant, and it looks really healthy. Just put out a new leaf right here. It looks really good, and like I said, I water them as soon as I find out that it's dry. Aim the hose in there on a low pressure, and then I spray. Look at that new root right there going down. So I'm really excited about this orchids. Of course, it looks really weird. Some reason my orchid turns this way, and I don't know why. And as you can see, it burned from the sun, so I'm not worried about that, and it's gonna be fine. This one is having this one is really weird. Look how it grows. So it bent, and then it started growing root right here. After it bent, then it started growing root, long root down there with air root. This one actually have a bloom. It's almost done blooming. It's really pretty. It's a peach color right here. It's the last flower, and the best part about it is I'm gonna show you. See that? That's not root. That is either a spike or a keiki, which is a new plant. But I'm looking at, I think that's a spike. It doesn't look like it's gonna be a cake. After it blooms, then it grow another spike. So I'm thinking that is a spike, and it looks really good. So look at that, and it's got a new leaf right here. And it just, the weird part about it is this one right here. So I may have to cut this one in here and repot it, and then separate them, and then hopefully the mother plants will grow a keiki. So I may, if it gets long, I may have to cut that one right there and then repot it. I don't know why it does that. I have a couple of them that did that, and I cut the other one, and then the mother produced a keiki. So hey guys, here's another orchid that is different. It's Phalaenopsis, and it's got flower. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Yeah, lots and lots of bloom right here. The difference about this orchid is not growing in a sphagnum moss. It is growing in a coconut husk chips that I ordered from the Amazon. And it seems like this plant is doing really well on this type of medium. Got healthy roots and healthy leaves. There's some right here. It's really beautiful. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. Look how gorgeous that is. It's just awesome. So nice and pretty. It's almost similar to the other one that I have. This is the same thing. I water them every time I water my garden. I'm keeping all of my orchids outdoor. Therefore, it dries out really fast because it gets really warm out here. Like today, it's gonna be 85 degrees, so it gets dry faster than the sphagnum moss. To water them every time I water my garden. I have not fertilized them because it's still blooming, so I'm gonna leave it the way it is right now. I will fertilize once this bloom is gone. These flowers can stay for up to 3 to 4 months, so it stays a long time. So remember this one that was buds, now it's blooming. I wasn't able to edit the video right away and upload it, but now it's blooming. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. You know what that is? I'll give you 5 guesses. No, just kidding. You know what it is? Type of orchids that is? That is a big lip orchids. Anyway, look how beautiful that is. Look, there's more right here. Look, if I did not keep this outdoor, I would never get this. I would never ever get this to flower. You know why? Because keeping them indoor, it seems like they're locked in, and it's difficult for them to produce more buds like this. But if I keep them outdoor, you know, it makes the orchids feel like their own natural habitat, and that's why it's putting out more flower. That means they're happy where they at. So I'm gonna keep him outdoor as long as I can. When it gets too cold, then I keep him inside. When it gets too cold, it's about 50 degrees or below, then I start bringing them in. See this one right here? Remember this one that the bug's been eating it? So it's still fine. The leaves is fine. It's barely connected, barely attached, but no worries. And look at all that roots that's coming out right here. Sphagnum moss right there. I just watered them yesterday because I watered my garden because it was so dry. But the amazing part about it is look how beautiful this flower is. Look at that. There are many more buds to go. See, so many of them, and it's just awesome. It's just amazing, so beautiful. Look, the flower is just so amazing. And same thing, I water them when it needs it. When I water the garden and I see it's really dry, I will aim the hose and spray it. Slow pressure so it doesn't break any branches. Okay, look guys, another Phalaenopsis. I'm gonna show you first off, the roots are coming out because the holes are too big. They're really healthy roots. Look at that. They're just coming out. And this one is really nice and healthy. Really nice and healthy. Look at this. And also growing in a sphagnum moss. I just water them. But anyway, look at that. Look at this, guys, right here. Look at that. That's gonna be a spike. And it's not roots, it's a spike. It's gonna produce flower pretty soon. And it's got really healthy leaves, firm and really healthy leaves. So it's growing in a sphagnum moss, and I'm so excited about this one. See what color that flower is gonna be. I can't wait. That's gonna be, oh gosh, another month maybe or so before this one will start producing. Probably another month and a half or so. And that's how long it takes for it to produce flower. See, it's really nice and healthy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I hope you learn from it. And if you have any question about Phalaenopsis orchids, how to grow them, and why I grow them in the sphagnum moss, because it's a lot easier in a sphagnum moss than any other medium. Sphagnum moss, my orchids really loves it, and they do really well on a sphagnum moss. You can buy the sphagnum moss in any garden shop like Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. You can buy this sphagnum moss in there, and I use the premium sphagnum moss because it's one of the best. And I know for some reason it has some kind of nutrition that the orchids do really well on that one, and it dries out faster. The water doesn't retain for a long time, so that's why it's great, because so the roots doesn't soak in there and start rotting. That's the reason why. So any question, just leave comments in the video and I will return the call, or I will respond to your comments right away as soon as I can. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shout out to all the P Orchids Garden USA members. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. The PML team and also the super viewers. Thank you all so much. Membership is available, and super chat, super stickers, super thanks is available, but it's optional. Thank you so much. Bye.